Are you home alone or are you home alone? Sure. Is Dad at work?
He's at work.
Is Dad really? He's at work?
Dad's at work, yes.
Really? Okay, what do you want me to do? What do you need me to do?
My allergies will kill me. I can't go over it now. It's wait till later.
Are you sure? Okay. Oh. Sorry about
Damn it.
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry about that. It is so strange.
What you want me to do?
She wants me to go, but when do you go?
Later on.
Okay, what do you need me to do?
Let's go over now.
You got it.
No, my allergies are killing me. I can't go back out there right now. I was out there my allergies are killing me. I was out there earlier.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I keep on flaring up. They keep on sleeping in driveways around here, making me dust and pollen shit. Not as bad as I was little, but worse enough. Ignore it, just go over.
I'm gonna go over. I think I have a cell phone. No, you can use that cell phone.
Coughing
This
my
is
brains.
How about what should you actually should have? What do you need me to do?
Go over. Damn it.
How long are you here for?
For a while.
Good.
Leave for a long time.
That's it. I'll be right back, honey. What do you want me to do?
Go over.
Should I take my sandwich with me?
Well, just leave it here.
Okay, here we
So you got any allergies? This shit's killing me. They're sweeping out that driveway, and I had to do that yesterday with leaf blowers in different areas.
What do y'all mean to do?
Go now.
How long will you be here for?
For a long time.
You sure? I'm gonna be quick. I cannot go in.
Let's get at the door.
What?
Let's get the money at the door.
I'm gonna get the money.
What they owe us, get at the door.
And you're like,
Yeah, let's go over and get it, yeah. They'll give it to you.
what do you want me to do?
You know who I am.
Not there, is he?
No.
Shit, I better go now. What do you need me to do?
Go get it.
What do you want me to do?
Let's go get it.
Now?
Yes, I'll be here for a while.
I love my husband.
I'm alive. You know who you are. You know who I am. Ask for me. Sound people over before too. Now I'm just fucking dead. Kill him.